2025 income tax, universal social charge and pay-related social insurance calculator. This calculator can reconcile your current or this period income against your payslip. It can check your year-to-date income against your payslip and reconcile your end-of-year income against your revenue statement of liability. Hi there, this is Pádraig here from Payroll Matters in Ireland, and today I want to talk to you about our income tax, universal social charge and pay-related social insurance calculator for the 2025 income tax year, which was developed at Boyle Payroll Project Management BPPM, Ireland's leading payroll outsourced provider for small businesses. For those of you that watched our video guide about our 2024 calculator and our step-by-step guide on how to use it and where to locate it, let me just say that I am not going to repeat the process here, as for the most part it is exactly the same. I do, however, want to go through one example on the 2025 calculator that I did not cover on my 2024 video. For those of you that have not seen the 2024 guide, I strongly advise you to watch it before continuing to this 2025 calculator, because there is a defined process you need to follow to get accurate results. This is a sample payslip that I'm going to reconcile with our 2025 current or this period and the cumulative or year-to-date functionality on our calculator. You can see here that I put the this period figures through the calculator in accordance with our 2024 step-by-step guide on how to use this calculator. We see that all the figures are balanced. You will note that the USC and the PRSI are balanced to the nearest cent. There is a difference of 58 cents in the income tax figure. This, you may say, is very little, but for the purposes of this example, I am going to bring you through the process of reconciling this difference, because it may be the case that you will come across a situation where the difference is much larger. I am not going to go into the details here of the reasons for larger differences, as we went through these on our 2024 video guide. The difference of 58 cents is likely to be some balancing adjustments made in this period relating to a previous pay period. And we are going to find out now if this is actually the case. When you come across a situation like this, when you are reconciling your this period tax, universal social charge or pay-related social insurance, then it is recommended you proceed to reconciling your year-to-date income tax and universal social charge. And we will do this right now. We simply take the year-to-date figures from the same payslip and enter them into the calculator. You can see here that the income tax figure is now balanced to within 2 cents, which has to do with rounding. Your next step is to complete the actual calculator, which you will find on bppm.ie website, which stands for Boyle Payroll Project Management and is Ireland's leading payroll processing provider for small businesses. BPPM has recently commenced processing or completing income tax returns, claiming tax credits, etc. for any PAYE taxpayers that wishes to have someone complete them on their behalf. We at Payroll Matters in Ireland continue to encourage PAYE workers to look after their own tax affairs and have many helpful guides to assist them. We are aware that some taxpayers still wish to pay someone to do this for them, so feel free to pop me an email to info@bppm.ie for details. You will find this calculator by going to our website, Boyle Payroll Project Management, bppm.ie, and click on Payroll Resources and scroll down to the 2025 Income Tax, PRSI and USC calculator. The link brings you to this page, and simply scroll down to where the calculator is and enter your figures. Good luck with it. If you have any questions, you can ask them in the comments or on the Facebook group Payroll Matters in Ireland. My final important message before I leave you for now is, can I ask those of you that have not already done so to hit the subscribe button, and also to turn on YouTube notifications for this channel so you can get an alert every time we post a new video guide, as we have many more helpful pay, income tax and other work related guides and videos to bring you. It costs you nothing to subscribe, but could help you save hundreds or even thousands of euro into your hand on pay and tax. Go on, hit that subscribe button. Go on. See you next time.